All right, this is what happens when you have window reflections. Unfortunately, they create streaks in the turf here. Different times of day, different seasons, they're gonna make different patterns. They're all gonna be running parallel, typically due to a window or some sort of reflective surface. And in this situation, it was some of these windows. We didn't think that'd be an issue because of the patio here, but they made their way south-facing windows, these top panes. They will reflect heat and magnify the heat in a very concise pattern across this section as the day goes on. And the bottom windows have screens on them, but the uppers didn't. So those windows got film added to reduce the heat reflection. So we're gonna replace this whole panel and take care of it if we have enough turf left over, which we always recommend leaving leftover dye lot from the original. If I have enough, we're gonna actually just replace just this section. But if I don't, we'll order a whole new piece. It's about a 15 by 25. So unfortunate, but this is what you can expect if you have window reflections. You notice it's like singed hair, right? This is unaffected turf and this is the affected turf. It just basically gets melted where the tips kind of cinch up. Kind of see that in profile there.